I'd like to share one more idea concerning our works, their durability and moisture resistance. I've already watched the video of a weaver taking her work under running water. So I've decided to try my works too. Besides, there was a good reason too. Easter came and the tray I'd woven a year or two ago was covered with dust and flour. So I did try it. Well, actually it is my second experiment. I mean, before moistening it today, I've already moistened the tray before, dried it, and now it looks good as new. So today I'm sharing my experience with you. Now it is covered with dust, dirt and flour again, everything Easter trays get covered with when waiting for the following year on the top shelf in a kitchen cupboard. So, I turn the water on and wash it carefully. The water should be rather cold. I don't keep it under running water long. Just wash the dirt off, wipe it out with a wash rag or a towel, turn it over and leave this way till it dries out. I don't cover it or anything, just let the water fall from the tray and let it get dry. Next day, the work is as good as it was, strong and solid, not soaked or soggy, just as good as new. This tray has only been coated with one layer of varnish. I believe if you weave a bag, for example, and coat it with 2 layers of varnish, it can stand even rain very well. I have one more tray, but I don't like to show it. It is one of my first works, not the best one. So it lost shape with time, but I moistened it and put some weight onto it, which has made the tray well shaped again. So the experiment is not new. I did moisten my works before, and I know that moistened and then dried, they get as good as new and remain as solid and durable as they were.